How to use track selectors in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 3 video and 3 audio tracks to my timeline. If I click on my first video, which has a video and an audio, both V1 and A1 will be selected. My second media is a video without any audio, so when I click on it, only the V1 turns red. And by clicking on an audio, only A1 will turn red. Select a video in the media pool and press F10 to add it timeline. You can see that it added the video to tracks V1 and A1 because they were selected. I can change the selected tracks. Click on the button next to a track to select them. For example, now I want to add my video to the video track 3 and audio track 2. I can change the selected using keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus top or down arrows to select the next or previous video track. Or press Ctrl plus Alt plus top or down arrows to select the next or previous audio track. Also, you can hold down the Alt key and press 1 to 8 to select one of the video tracks. Or you can hold down the Ctrl and Alt keys and press 1 to 8 to select one of the audio tracks. Now I want to bring only the video and no audio. I can disable the audio track by clicking on it or by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus 1 keys on the keyboard. And if I select the video and press the F10, only the video is brought to the timeline and not the audio. If I wanted to bring only audio and not video, I can press Alt plus 1 to disable my video 1 track, then press Ctrl plus Alt plus 1 to enable audio 1 track, and then press F10 to add video to the timeline. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.